these videos, they very much start the night before, so I'm gonna have something that I don't ever take to work really, but I just fancied it, so I picked it up, and I'm gonna have a corned beef sandwich. This is just one of the M&S You Deserve Butter loaves. I don't have my phone on me, so I can't really check point value. I'm going to be having a few slices of corned beef, and I'm going to do something. I'm going to go one step closer, guys. I'm also going to put a little bit of ketchup on this sandwich as well. I've got the 3 or 4 slices of corned beef, I think this is. No, yeah, 3 slices, British corned beef. And this is, it serves 3, so I'm guessing that's 1 slice again, and each slice is around 56 calories. And my plan, because I'm not taking breakfast in tomorrow, is to hopefully nip and get some fruit. So I'm going to see what I fancy in the morning. Once I've settled in, had my first coffee, I might go out on a stroll and get some fresh fruit. So my sandwiches are ready. I didn't put my ketchup on actually, so I'm just going to do that now. Pop my sandwiches on my wrap, and as I've said, in the morning I can just, or when I'm just about to eat them actually, I can pop them in the microwave at work for about 30 seconds just to soften that meat, warm up the sauce, and honestly, I know it sounds gross, it's going to be delicious. Anyway, I have my sandwich, my bog standard crisps, my Coke Zero, and again the plan is to pick up some fruit tomorrow as well. By the way, this lunch bag is now linked, so if you head to the link in my description, you will find outfits now, you'll find house bits, you'll find everything that I can link in there. So if you are interested in picking up this lunch bag, which I thoroughly recommend, I've had it for a few months now, but honestly it's brilliant. You guys have seen it many times in action. The link is now down below. Good morning everybody. As you've seen, so I'm just on my way to the office. I'm a bit later than usual. I had a meeting, so coming a little bit later. But yes, I've got my little packed lunch, but the plan is at some point to go get some fruit for a snack. So hopefully we'll nip out and do that. But yeah, it's very cold today, so I'm definitely going to be looking forward to my warm sandwich.
Doors opening.
Oh. That's what you know. In that way.
I am back from the office, guys, and the lights are on already. It's dark. Like, honestly, this is it now. You've lost all natural daylight in these videos. And I'm starving. I'm really hungry. I didn't get to go out and get my fruit snack, so I didn't eat as much as I would like today, which isn't ideal, but I've been snacking on some grapes since I walked in, and also I'm going to get to making dinner now, and I'm going to make some homemade sausage rolls. I had a shop delivered today. I got some sausage meat, I have some puff pastry, and I'm thinking I might get Andy to go to the chippy and we'll have like chippy chips with it, and I might like just have it with like coleslaw. That to me just sounds mega. So I'm going to be making some homemade sausage rolls, puff pastry. I think I'm just going to do like a caramelized onion sausage meat in some puff pastry, roll it out, bit of butter, and pop it in the oven. It's as simple as that. But normally when I'm doing these for a party or I'm doing them for a bit more of like a social thing, I'll add clementine in there, sage, tarragon. I actually get quite creative. Cranberries. So yeah, sometimes I do them quite spicy, sometimes I'll do them just like regular, like really basic. But today I'm thinking like a caramelized onion would be lovely. So yeah, I'm gonna get on with that. It should be super simple. I might go upstairs to get my joggers on actually, because I want to be comfortable and I'm still in my jeans. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that and then we'll get to making dinner. In terms of ingredients, super basic. I have some pre-seasoned sausage meat. Sometimes I get reduced fat, but at the moment I'm not doing that just because, you know, I can't really be doing that. What I do have in reduced fat, because this is something I already had, was my puff pastry, which I'm going to soften in a moment because it's been in the fridge and it's quite cold and I do want this to become a little softer. So I'm going to get some flour and start kneading this out a little bit. I need to get my other packet out as well, just because that is not going to be enough. And also I have my onion, I'm going to get some garlic, and I have some parsley as well. This is very slapdash. I'm basically just going to be combining all of the stuffing into one bowl, mix it all up with some salt and pepper, and then spread it into the puff pastry. And hopefully once I play about with this with a bit of flour, it will soften, although it feels really rigid. I might have to go and buy some from scratch. I say from scratch, but I might just have to go and buy some because it says this is freezable and normally it is, but this just feels a little bit, oh no, it's not too bad. It is warm enough in my hands and it's not doing too bad. Had dinner and honestly it was so good. The ratio of sausage meat to pastry was perfect. It was so good. Andy went to the chippy, we had it with chippy chips, and I imagine it was very high in calorie value, but honestly, given all the walking I've done today and the fact that I haven't really had anything in terms of sweet treats, which I'm about to remedy, I think it's fine. So yeah, I'm going to call it a day, but thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out. I think for the rest of the evening, I'm likely to have some fruit. So I got some peaches earlier today, so I'll most likely have a peach, maybe some grapes, depending on how I'm feeling. And I did ask Andy to see if there was a Bounty at the shop, because I do love a Bounty. So it is possible that if he does find one, I will have half a Bounty, because they tend to come in 2 halves. So I'll have half today and half tomorrow. But anyway, I'm going to call it a day here. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to check my description box out for links. You will find links to outfits, you'll find links to homewares, you'll find links to plates and cups and mugs and nail varnish and anything else I could think to link, because I get asked about my links frequently. Even this throw is going to be linked. So go and check out the description box. They are affiliate links, by the way, so I do get a little bit of money if you were to order anything, but honestly, you guys know, that's not the reason. It's just most of the time you guys ask for links. So there they are. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Say hi in the comments and I'll see you in my next video.